Hey everyone, John here. It's been a while since I gave an update on the Westcraft B17 restoration. So today I am working on installing the first firewall. The wing I have mounted to the table permanently. You can see the support sticks there, CA locked down. Also around the back, blocks to keep it steady from rocking. You know, it's supported all the way around. And what I did is I locked this wing down with 4 degrees positive incidence. The wing will set in the plane at 2.5 degrees positive. So the reason I did the 4 is when it's flying, you'll give me 1.5 degrees of down thrust, theoretically. So I'm working on this nacelle here, and you can see the wing was locked down at 4 degrees. That way I can use my 90-degree squares to set the firewalls perfectly vertical, up and down, and also keep them square with a dead on or 0 degree straight ahead engine mount. There will be no side thrust on any of this, only down thrust. So, anyway, let's see, what else can I tell you? There's a lot of pin marks. You can see all the lines going across the table. This first line here is where the prop hub should be scale located on the B17 to put the props even with the center post of the cockpit windshield. The second line is my measurement with my Sato 91s mounted in their aluminum mounts to where the firewall should be, which was 125 millimeters back from the prop hub. In turn, giving me the line to install my first firewall today. You can see how much was cut off originally back in the day by whoever built it. That gap you're seeing there is roughly about 1.25 inches, 1 3/8 that I've got to put back in. So, cut my firewall rings, mounted my squares, clamped them down to the table, took 4 pieces of balsa with rubber bands around the outside circumference, and then set my firewall in there to sort of help it, you know, steady up and stuff like that. So what I'm doing now is, you can see 3 screws in the front of the ring, and what I did is I took hardwood stick, 3/4 inches wide by, I don't know, 3/4, cut them roughly 4 inches, drilled pilot holes, locked them down, got everything, you know, to a tight fit on the belt sander, stuff like that. And then I came back with, that's right, Hysol. Put some Hysol in there, reinstalled the screws to lock everything down, and then put screws through the front to hold it in place there. So this will set up for a few hours, and then I'll undo everything and I'll come back and put more blocking in. Basically there will be 8 screws that'll hold the solid firewall engine mount on, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then obviously 45 across from that. So once all this first round sets up, I'll take all this jig stuff down because it's held in place now, and add my other supporting braces, sticks, whatever you want to call it. So there you go. It's been a while. Thought I'd update everybody. 1 down, 3 to go. Thanks for watching.